everyone. Today I would like to review Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. I just ordered it on the 1st of November. It was so difficult to get this bag and I just got it online. I kept refreshing on the website for a long time and finally I got it. I'm so happy to get this one because it's very famous right now and it's such a beautiful bag. So as you can see, the size is 20 centimeters. The size is similar to Alma BB, and but it's wider, so you can put more stuff inside. And the strap, there are two color, the creamy one and the pink one. So you can see it now. You can see there is a lot of cowhide on this bag, so it's quite difficult to take care of, I think. And I don't like it to see the change of the cowhide to brown or dirty dark brown. So this is what I'm worried about this bag, but the rest of it I like it. And the strap actually is very short for me. It's too short because I'm 5 feet 8 inches or 171 centimeters. So when I use it as crossbody bag, it's very short and the bag is underneath my breast.